Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reddss for Daddy Reddss Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, we come like Mr. Easy. Somebody else is trying to say they Mr. Easy, and you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Show that you care. Talking News is here. That's right. Take a look at this highlight right there. Take a look at this highlight. I, the legendary reggae and dancehall artist Mr. Easy, am not slated to perform in Prospect Park tonight in Brooklyn, New York. Please bear with me as I sort out the unfortunate circumstances of my name being stolen by another artist who continues to illegally use it commercially. All right, now you see that, right? Check it out. That's not supposed to happen in this day and age. People are not being respectful. And it can't go like that. Yo, you know what you do. Load the artist's name. You better change your name because that is the man's claim to fame. You can't do that. And then, you know, kind of like my third eye told me about this because about 2019, it could have been even August, but let's say like July, perhaps. I'm in North Carolina. I say, yo, let me just get the artist a booking. And they tell me, who? We know him already. I say, you don't know who I'm talking about. Then when they show me, it's this boy from over there. He's somewhere in Africa. I don't know if it's Nigeria, Ghana, I don't remember. Or even Zimbabwe. I can't remember right now. But, and I'm like, nah, man, I'm talking about the only original official Mr. Easy. Then they say, oh, all right. So the bookings never came through. But to the back of my head, I'm like, yo, I wonder what's really going to go on with this? Because one day it's going to have to come, you know, to an end. And now all of a sudden, this boy do what I'm supposed to be doing with performance in Prospect Park in Brooklyn. And people getting the artists confused. No, sir, it can't go like that. So I'm just bringing this to light right now. You know? And on Mr. Easy, you don't know, huh? Well, you say friends for life, your brother for life. And that's how the thing go. So people, just keep your eyes and ears open and just know that there's only one official Mr. Easy. Follow his Instagram right here. Okay, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share. I am Daddy Reddss. I'm the reggae ambassador. And I will always cause a musical massacre. Mr. Easy, keep your head up. Dread out for now. This is Talking News.